What do you think? Is it Western enough?
It's pretty Western.
I got the bed constructed and I was like, I don't have time to do that big wave effect. I don't have time to do it. I don't know how to do it. Listen to that machine in the background. That's work getting done. I'm excited about that. It's actually the CNC machine and it's cutting out these parts. These are walnut canopy braces. Kind of sagging right here because it's all that load is cantilevered out front. And you can see what I'm doing.
When you go to the store for Tim, I learned this from being the designer assistant on Boomtown Builder. Buy everything. Come back with lots of options, otherwise you'll get sent back.
And then return it.
And then return it.
So those are gonna sandwich together like that, but you can see I got 3 different sizes.
Yeah.
So that creates a finger joint because the other ones that come out of here will all be 3 different sizes. So none of these joints actually line up, creating a lot of strength right there.
That makes sense. That's cool.
She brought me this.
The lowest. And Heidi like barely tapped one of these and it just went crashing down and broke. But he's like, well, if you decide you want that one, I'll give it to you for half off now. I think he might pick this one. And you picked this one and it was like, yes. So the moral of the story.
Bam! Half off!
The moral,
Half
so
off.
the moral of the story is because Heidi broke it, we saved.
Can you go get me some whiskey from the liquor store? Don't break it though. Just chip the bottle.
Cowabunga.
Look at that. I'm doing it. I'm doing it whether you like it or not.
I like it.
You like it? I'm gonna put cow horns on the bed.
I love it.
Yippee-ki-yay. They're actually really, really beautiful set of horns.
I've never seen that done before.
I just chopped a steer's antler. I'm re-inspired. I am going to mount these on the canopy brace supports. And we're gonna have a couple of horns coming off this bed and it's gonna be cool. Trust me, it's gonna be cool. Pushing through in this last minute, fourth quarter effort to get that and put it on there, now the whole thing makes sense. And it never did make sense. This is one of my weirdest projects. Until it was actually totally complete, I didn't know what I was building. I didn't know what I was doing. And that is unusual for me, but it's also, it gives me goosebumps. Look, I got goosebumps right there. Pretty amazing. We use the computer-controlled router to make the aluminum plates and to cut all the curves on the bed.
And then a 200-year-old machine to put the stitching.
I think that's pretty radical. That looked like that. There's a storm a-blowing. Well, power just went out. It's raining out in my spray booth. My spray booth is actually outside and it's raining, so I can't spray. But more importantly, nobody can keep working except for Will because our power went out.
Of course, today it's like,
Yeah.
I'll rain.
And how much time do we have left to get this finished?
Just about none.
This is literally our final day, our final push, and no power. I can't spray now because it's raining outside.
Oh,
Power's back on.
I think that means you can spray.
I gotta get back to work. No, enough of the camera. See ya. I'm back at it. This will be the very, very first time that we actually have all the components put together on the bed. It looks like everything's fitting, everything's going together. We got a system for assembling the bed. But you never know until it's all put together, until it's finally done, if everything lines up and everything looks scaled and right. 2 hours of tape work. A bit nervous about seeing the finished product, hoping that it still matches the vision in my head or exceeds that vision. But this is the final push. We're gonna put this thing together. We're a day late.
New plan.
The new plan.
Again.
Is this gonna fall down if we don't hold it up?
It is.